Hello everyone, I will show you how you can export your Android program into an executable file or an installer for Android. So some of the Android packages cannot be installed on certain devices because they don't have assigned certificate. So some device can accept an unsigned installer for Android. So your Android app can be unsigned or signed. If you'd want to just build it, you will choose this one, but we want to have a signed bundle. So first go to build variant and you can find it here, and then you will find it here, release, and then go to build, generate signed APK, and choose this one, and then click next. You should have a key store path already, and there are a lot of tutorials here. You will just enter the password, and then create for release, and then the Gradle will build. Okay, and then you just have to wait for it. Okay guys, so we already generated the signed APK, and you can click this to locate. It will open the folder. So it is on the release folder, and this is the released APK file, which is signed and can be installed on any Android devices. So just copy this and you can send it to your tablet device or your Android device. You can install it on your device. So let's see. I go to my tablet and then look for the app release. So this is the app installed. Okay, open. It's working.